Most people panic the moment AppStation stops working. They assume the app is broken forever or their account is banned. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, AppStation issues are caused by simple problems you can fix in a few minutes if you know where to look. In this video you'll learn exactly why AppStation stops working in 2026, how to fix loading issues, login errors, games not tracking, and missing rewards. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the one fix most users skip that silently restores tracking and earnings. Let's start with the most common issue: app loading problems. If AppStation is stuck on a loading screen or not opening at all, the first thing to check is your internet connection. It sounds simple, but unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data often prevents the app from connecting to its servers properly. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your internet is fine but the app still doesn't load, the next step is clearing cache. On Android, go to Settings, open AppStation, and clear cache data. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause freezing or crashing. But here's the problem most users miss. They clear cache, but never update the app. AppStation frequently updates its game tracking system, and older versions can stop working properly. Always check the Play Store and install the latest version. Let's talk about login issues. If you cannot sign in, it is often linked to incorrect Google account syncing or temporary server errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and make sure you are using the same Google account you were originally registered with. Now another major issue is games not tracking rewards. This is the most frustrating one for users like Alex, who plays for an hour but sees 0 points. In most cases, this happens when the game is not launched directly through AppStation. If you open the game outside the app, tracking will not work. Jake, on the other hand, always launches games from inside AppStation and keeps background apps closed. Because of that, his playtime is properly tracked, and he actually earns points consistently. Now here's a quick but powerful fix most people ignore. Log out of your account, restart your phone, then log back in. This refreshes your session and often restores missing tracking instantly. If nothing works, reinstalling AppStation is the final step. Just make sure your account is synced before uninstalling so you don't lose progress. So to summarize, AppStation not working in 2026 is usually caused by internet issues, outdated app versions, cache problems, or tracking errors. Almost all of these are fixable without technical skills. If this helped you get the app working again, like the video, comment your issue below, and subscribe for more simple fixes and earning app guides that actually work.